I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
And it's Christmas.
We're so excited at Christmas time. It's so fun. We like all of the little festivities and food, of course.
And food is a big thing.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is Christmas popcorn. And it's always nice to sit and watch. It's snowy outside. Well, maybe not in wherever you are, and you sit by the fire and you're eating popcorn, watching a movie. And this is just a fun little Christmas treat that we thought we would share with you.
Festive it up a little.
Yeah. Okay, so I've got some white chocolate here that has been, so we pop the popcorn first. That's what we have to do. Then I have some white hot chocolate that I'm going to be putting in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to be drizzling it over the popcorn.
And then I'm going to just crush up some strawberries. I think this is one of my favorite things to do, is crush up strawberries and fruit and vegetables. So we're going to just put the strawberries into some chunks that we can sprinkle on top. So I'll do that. And just to add a little bit of green, I'm also going to powder up some kale. I don't want those too fine. Okay, I'm ready with that.
Okay, I'm almost ready.
And then I'll powder up the kale just a little. Okay, I need to do this while it's still cool.
Ooh, look at this. This is nice.
I want to get it on there to make it stick.
So you can add whatever you want. Actually put whatever you want on here. You can put some nuts, you can melt some caramel, and you can drizzle that on with some dark chocolate. But we're going to make it really festive looking. And we just thought we'd put strawberries, white hot chocolate, and a little bit of green. We like to sprinkle with green. So this is actually kale.
It is. Gotta sneak in your veggies where you can.
All right, so that is a festive little treat, and actually it's not all that bad for you, hey?
No, the kale isn't.
And the strawberries. So if you have any suggestions on what to top your popcorn with, just comment below.
And remember to subscribe so that you can stay up to date with what we post.
And that's it for today. Thank you for joining us.
And remember,
you can do this too. And Merry Christmas.